How to sign into Netflix account on Smart TV. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to sign into your Netflix account on any Smart TV, covering the application installation, login options, and troubleshooting common issues. So let's get started. Start by opening the Netflix application on your Smart TV. If the app isn't installed yet, head over to your TV's App Store or Play Store and download it. Select the sign in option when the app opens. You'll now be presented with two different sign in methods, one using your smartphone and the other using your TV remote. We'll go through both. First is sign in with your phone. So you'll see a QR code displayed on the TV screen. Grab your phone and scan the QR code using your camera, or open the browser and visit the URL shown on screen. Tap on the link provided. It will either open directly in your Netflix app if it's installed, or redirect you to the Netflix login page in your phone's browser. Once there, make sure the code shown on your TV matches, then hit Sign in to TV. And that's it. Your smart TV will automatically refresh and log you into your account. You're now ready to enjoy your favorite series and movies. The second method is sign in with your remote. So if you prefer the traditional way, select the Use Remote option, type in your email address, then click Next. Enter your Netflix password and press Next again. You're now logged in and you're ready to watch shows. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.